Greetings, Mark Bruni. We're going to be looking at how we can clear the watch history right on our TikTok right here. First thing you want is to click on TikTok. Now, when you click on TikTok, you're going to come right here. And you click. Now, when you click, this is what come up. But if you notice, if you go up at the tab right here, where you see this 4 strokes here, you're going to click on that. Now, when you click on it, you notice you bring up Creators Tool, My Q&A, which is question and answer code right here. Setting and privacy. You want to click on setting and privacy right here. Now, when you click on setting and privacy, you see account, privacy, security, balance, profile, live. If you notice right here, comment and watch history, you're going to click on that. Now, when you click on that, definitely what will happen? Definitely you will see what really come up right here. Notice it's a watch history and comment. You want to click on watch history right here. Now you click on watch history. Definitely this is what come up, right? So what I wanted to do here, if you notice right up here, it says select. Now when you click on select, you notice it show you a section where you can click everything. But you notice you come right down at the bottom right here, show that I can actually select, right? So if you come right here, where it says select all, you're going to click on that. Notice when you click on select all, in doing, if you notice right here, it show you delete. So you're going to click on that. If you notice it show you everything that I like, you're going to click on delete. Right? If you notice right here, delete all the watch, right? From 180 days, right? So you notice right here, so cancel, and right here, so delete, you want to click on delete. And when you click on delete, right here, so no watch history. So this is where you can actually delete your watch history right here in your TikTok. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.